12 must-have indoor plants for a healthy home. Have you considered enhancing your home with some indoor plants? Not only do they add a splash of color, but they also significantly improve air quality and eliminate toxins. Research shows that houseplants can reduce stress and offer numerous health benefits. With so many options available, it can be challenging to choose the right plants for your space. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we'll share the top 12 healthiest indoor plants to boost your lifestyle. 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is perfect for a sunny kitchen windowsill. Besides being handy for treating burns, it purifies the air of formaldehyde and benzene found in household products. It's low maintenance, requiring infrequent watering, making it ideal for new plant parents. 2. Snake plant. The snake plant not only enhances your home's appearance, but also converts carbon dioxide into oxygen, even at night. It removes toxins like formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene, making your indoor air cleaner and reducing allergens. 3. Bamboo palm. The bamboo palm, also known as the butterfly palm, is famous for its air-purifying properties. It's tough and beginner-friendly, filtering benzene and formaldehyde from the air. It prefers moist soil and bright, indirect sunlight and acts as a natural humidifier. 4. Pothos. Pothos is a resilient plant that doesn't require soil or direct sunlight. It removes pollutants such as formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, and benzene, purifying your indoor environment and increasing humidity, which can help prevent viral infections like the flu. 5. Rubber tree. The rubber tree has shiny, attractive leaves and purifies the air by eliminating fungal spores and bacteria. It's low maintenance, thriving in indirect sunlight, and requiring infrequent watering, making it a great addition to any home. 6. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant, or Zameuculcas zamiifolia, is another low-maintenance choice that doesn't need frequent watering. It contains antioxidants that soothe earaches and is highly resistant to pests, making it an ideal indoor plant. 7. Dracaena. Dracaena plants tolerate harsh conditions and help prevent headaches, kidney problems, anemia, and respiratory issues by removing harmful chemicals like carbon dioxide and benzene from the air. Note that it's toxic to pets, so choose a different plant if you have furry friends. 8. Monstera Deliciosa. Monstera Deliciosa is loved for its rapid growth and beautiful leaves. It acts as both a humidifier and air purifier, trapping dust and debris. Place it in a well-lit spot and water it weekly for the best results. 9. String of pearls. The string of pearls is a stunning ornamental plant that also reduces stress and improves psychological health. Keep it in bright sunlight and away from pets and children, as it can be toxic if ingested. A hanging basket is a perfect display option. 10. Spider plant. The spider plant has long, narrow leaves that resemble spider legs. It's popular for its ability to remove indoor pollutants like carbon monoxide, reducing stress, fatigue, and headaches. It's non-toxic and even edible, offering mild nutritional benefits. 11. Jade plant. Known as the good luck plant, the jade plant has succulent leaves that resemble jade stones. It increases humidity and absorbs carbon dioxide, releasing oxygen at night. With proper care, it can live up to 70 years, making it a long-lasting companion. 12. Ficus Lyrata. Ficus Lyrata, or the fiddle leaf fig, is popular among interior designers for its glossy leaves and aesthetic appeal. It controls humidity, traps dust, and purifies the air, helping prevent respiratory issues. It thrives with indirect sunlight and watering a few times a week. Indoor plants not only beautify your home, but also purify the air and provide numerous health benefits, enhancing both physical and mental well-being. Adding plants to your home or workspace is a rewarding investment in your health and happiness. If you enjoyed this content, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Stay healthy.